Guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. In today's video, we're gonna be making super easy Pottery Barn inspired DIYs from the Dollar Tree. If you don't have a lot of time but want that Pottery Barn look for the holidays, you are gonna love this video. First are these gorgeous oversized lanterns. You'll need these brand new frames that they just started carrying, as well as Dollar Tree hot glue, my absolute fave. These frames are pretty cute as is, but the inside punches out super easily, and what I love about them is they come already with that farmhouse whitewash finish. Lay one of your frames face down, you can remove the hardware if you want to, and add another frame on it perpendicular to the first. A bigger scale, the world in hands. I added some Dollar Tree red berries, which are so trendy in the Pottery Barn catalog this year, as well as a $1 candle, hurricane vase, and sand. I absolutely love how this project turned out for just a few dollars. I was so excited to see that Dollar Tree carries cinnamon sticks now. I couldn't believe it. This is such a great deal, and there's a million crafts you can do with these, but one of my favorite easy ones is to put a bit of hot glue on the inside of the stick and add to a flameless candle, and get some pretty twine or ribbon to put around the outside. Rustic glam on a budget, and as an added bonus, it smells great. Next are some products you don't want to leave without. Copper wire LED lights. Dollar Tree is the cheapest place to find them, as well as eucalyptus and grapevine sprigs. These came from the dollar section at Target, and they were just $3 a piece. I love making DIYs that can transition from season to season, and I think the best score the Dollar Tree has right now are these giant Christmas sprigs. You guys, these are huge, as big as the cotton stems I showed you last season. When you see these, pick them up. And here's how to make your house smell like Pottery Barn. All you need are cinnamon sticks, vanilla extract, and cloves. Add a few sticks, a few cloves, and about a half teaspoon of vanilla extract to a small pot of boiling water, and let simmer on low on your stove. Your entire home will smell incredible. So I just keep this on super low throughout the day and just keep adding water to it as it evaporates. We've been doing this for a solid 4 days and it still smells amazing. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more Pottery Barn inspired Christmas DIYs, you leave it a big thumbs up, and girl, hit that subscribe button so I can catch you in the next one. I'll see you there. Bye.
I got the candle.
Do you like the candles?
Uh-huh.
Well, thank you.
You can't touch them.
Yeah, that's right. You can't touch them. It's not for touching. Do you like the berries? Oh, the berries aren't for picking though, okay? They're just for looking. Yep. Owie. Owie,